everybody, welcome back to another travel vlog, and today we are staying in the Villa Kaya. Super excited to be here. So grateful to God that I was able to come to Grenada and partner with a beautiful hotel like this, and I can't wait to show you guys what they have to offer. The view right now in front of me is like insane. This location is perfect, just on BBC Beach, so you can just walk down to BBC Beach, you can snorkel here, you can go paddleboarding here. Like, there's so many things that you can do. Can't wait to show you guys. I have until Sunday that I'm going to be here, and today is Thursday, so that's a good amount of time to check this whole villa out and what they have to offer. They also offer breakfast, which is a great thing, and all the drinks that you have is complimentary once you get into your suite. I think there's about 4 suites that they have here, and they are all gorgeous. Like, if you check the hotel website, they are beautiful. So yeah, enough of me talking. I don't want to, steal the show. I want to show you guys what this villa has to offer and Grenada has to offer. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to be part of the family and just to see the rest of the world that God has created. This is my view. Like, this is insane. This is what I'm sitting on here. You can see my legs. Hello. And yeah, this is the view. Crazy.
Hold it back, tell me baby, do you like it like that when I rock with you? Ooh, girl, let me take you to Toco Loco when the sun go low. We could go and go, girl, go. I ain't talking hours and non-stop jam. You is a gem, let me take your hand, just come and go, girl, go. Say, girl, why you do me that? Make big man get a heart attack, girl. The way you look back when you rock back, I feel away when you whine so pretty wine. Flash me a pretty smile. What's on your pretty mind? Tell me, baby, say, can you break me out of my bubble? I see you in trouble, baby, bubble, cause some trouble. Break me out of my bubble. I see you in trouble, baby, bubble. I'm in trouble. You make me reach for the ceiling. You give me life, new meaning. I'll take a walk with you, swim in the ocean too, girl. And I go take it to the top of the hill up there. Then I go take you right back down to play under the moon. So girl, I hope you don't leave too soon. Let me take you to Toco Loco when the sun go low, girl. We could go and go, girl. Go. I ain't talking hours and non-stop jam. You is a gem, let me take your hand, just come and go.
We're off to dinner now, and we are heading to Le Plywood Beach Bar. We're about to try the fish tacos that they have here at Le Plywood. So let's have a go. We just got back from a lovely dinner at La Plywood Beach Bar. Highly recommend. Super delicious. I got the fish tacos and I absolutely loved it. Like, the fish over here is just phenomenal. I always forget how good the fish is when you go to the Caribbean. So I definitely recommend. It's a cute little beach bar. You can just chill and you can listen to music while you eat. It's all like sort of finger food. It's not really main like proper big meals that you get. Guys, look, I got bitten again. I don't know if you could see it. It's like a big one here. It's so annoying. I have about 10 million bites at this rate. Right now, I'm back at Villa Kaya and I'm doing my skincare because I'm getting ready to go to bed. This is my oil cleanser from Herbal Garden and I've been using it for so long. I'm just gonna take my makeup off. So tomorrow what we have planned is a food tour with Spice Island, I believe. I have to get back to you on that tomorrow because I can't remember the name of it, but I know it's Spice something, and it's one of the only food tours they have in Grenada, I believe. Again, I'll get back to you on that just to confirm because I don't want to give you the wrong information, but they are the only ones that I know of that is only doing the food tours. So that's at 9 AM tomorrow. They're meant to come and pick us up. I don't know if there's other people doing it or if it's just us because it's normally a Saturday thing because it's every Saturday that they do the food tours, I believe. Yeah, since it's a Friday tomorrow, I'm not too sure if it's just gonna be us. I don't know how long the food tour is gonna be. I'm hoping it's more of a half day, not the whole day. I really hope because I have to come back here to Villa Kaya and shoot some content. You know, I want to get some really good content because it's such a beautiful place and I just want to take pictures of everything. Right now I'm gonna edit some content. You can find me on Instagram, guys. If you want to follow my Instagram, my social media, it's in the description down below, so don't hesitate to follow and you guys can see what I get up to in post form in Grenada, even though you guys are watching this vlog right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early. Good morning, everybody. I just killed a mosquito with this. It was trying to attack me. Right now it is 6, 7, and in a couple of hours Spice Foodie Tours will be picking us up and we'll be going on a really cool food tour. We're going to be trying loads of local foods on the island. I've put my swimming costume on just in case we come back and we're able to go swimming. So I'm wearing it as a top. It's like a little green thing, and then I've got my cardigan on just in case. I might switch it to something else that covers my arms but is really light because I just can't be asked to have any more mosquito bites. I just don't want it. I don't know when breakfast is going to be served, maybe around 7, so in an hour I guess we can go and head up together. Oh my gosh, is that mosquito? Die? Oh, it died. Anyway, probably around 7 in the morning and we have an hour, so I'm just going to go and edit some content with my beautiful view here. I will see you when we are having breakfast. So I decided to get some bakes, one bake and saltfish, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out.
Drink me rum and share with others. Fed for hours. It's a wonderful feeling to share with others. All my brothers and all my sisters. Today we making we name. We party in sun or rain. We don't care what the people say. Once the music hit my brain, so much powers I can't explain. Until that golden day when the Father take me away. All of my friends will say, I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. We're phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. We're phenomenal. We're phenomenal.
cinnamon.
different colors.
Sorry.
We crossing the stage. Car, we party in sun or rain. We don't care what the people say. Cause the music hit no brain. So much powers I can't explain. Until I roll and play. When the father take me away. No, 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 no. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. We're phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. I'm phenomenal. We're phenomenal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Soca does give me powers. Yeah, make me turn. Yeah. Soca does give me powers. Yeah, make me compete with each other.
We just got back from the Spice Foodie Tour and it was so good. We had a private tour because they normally do their food tours on the Saturday unless you request a private tour, and they can do it like any day of the week. But it was so good. I really enjoyed myself. We saw so many food vendors. Now we're going to probably head to the beach and sunbathe and take a swim in the ocean and maybe snorkel. I'm here at the paddle boards now and we're going to try and take them out and put them on the water. I'm quite nervous. I did it yesterday as like a tester and I almost drifted out to sea. Yeah, we're going to try again today and hopefully we can actually do some paddling because I really want to do it and I want to stand up on the paddleboard. So here they are now, just behind me, and we are going to take them, so let's go. We're gonna go in the beach right now, guys. We have our paddle boards just there and I'm about to put it in the water and hop on and hopefully I can stand on it. Good morning everybody, today is a new day. It's the last day, last full day in Grenada and I'm walking on the beach right now, so nice. It's 6:30 in the morning and I'm gonna try and head in the ocean for a little swim. I hope I'll give myself 30 or to an hour. I can head back up at 7:30 because I can head back up at 7:30 because breakfast at Villa Kaya is at 8:30 and then we have to come back down to the same beach, which is BBC Beach, and a part of it, I don't know where it starts, but it's Morne Rouge Beach, I believe. So we have to come back down for the kayaking, the Clear Kayaking, which I'm really excited about. Good morning. Morning. Yeah.
Give me the work, with the work, yeah. Give me the work, with the
I just done my kayak shoot, photo shoot, and now my auntie's on the water doing her little photo shoot. Gosh, that was so much effort. I'm not gonna lie, like my body hurts from doing all them poses, but it was just so intense. Like my neck's hurting now from like having good posture, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're just doing a photo shoot and then we're gonna head onto the water. I'm gonna switch to this camera because I cannot get my DJI wet.
I come for this work, sign me up, I come for this work. I never walk it properly. You say I have a vacancy, I go be #1 employee. I aim to please, guaranteed. I fit and ready. Alright, yeah, well equipped. The structure, I'm timing it. This economy, I've been looking for work, boss lady. I come for this work, sign me up, I come for this work. Sign me up, I come for this work. Sign me up, I come for it. Boss lady, I come for this work. Sign me up, I come for this work. Sign me up, I come for this work. I never walk it properly. So put a walk in front of it. And I go get in right away. I'm gonna put me back in it. Oh, you're walking properly. So put a walk in front of it. And I go put me right away. And then I put me back in it. And I go walk it properly. Boss lady, I come for this work. Sign me up.
I'm going snorkeling today. It's our last day, like our official last day today that we are here in Grenada. I'm going to be checking out around 11:30 and then heading to one of my family members, and then I'm going to make my way to the airport. So I thought I'd take this time to snorkel. Right now it's 6 in the morning. There's a lot of fishes outside, so I'm really happy. Hopefully I get to see so many kinds of fishes. And then I might take a walk on the beach and then have some breakfast and then head out. I just came back from a little snorkel. There are so many fishes. They're so cool. I haven't had much time to catch up with you guys because it's just been pretty hectic these last few days. We went on a hike yesterday. It was a 4-hour hike. I didn't know that the Golden Falls was going to be that long of a hike. I didn't really know there was a hike needed because I've only done Seven Sisters, which was a hike, and Golden Falls is the worst hike ever. Like I was not prepared. I had sandals, that's how you know I wasn't prepared. And I had like a crossbody handbag because I didn't know what we were walking into. I didn't know there was going to be an hour hike there, an hour hike back, and I came back with so many cuts and bruises from that hike. My body is aching, so I needed to get back in the water, especially salt water, to kind of cleanse the cuts. But yeah, it was definitely an experience, and the person we went with is actually a tour guide that Villa Kaya recommends to go with. So yeah, it was definitely an experience. I would not do it again, but if you love hiking, I definitely recommend going to the Golden Falls because it is a challenge. It's a crazy challenge. It's like you're in Jumanji. It's a whole new thing. But the snorkeling was great. I'm probably going to head down to the beach. It's literally just over there. If I can just like... Yeah, it's just over there. That's where the beach is. And it's only a 7-minute walk from Villa Kaya, which makes it the perfect location to stay at because it's just... And BBC Beach is one of the best beaches in Grenada. So I highly recommend you guys stay at Villa Kaya because it is so beautiful, so private, so peaceful. My sleep has just been so good, so good. But now, enough about me. I'm probably gonna head down to the beach with these on so I can see more fishes. And yeah, my flight out of here is at 6:30 p.m. So I have pretty much the whole day until around 3. I'm gonna head to the airport at 3:30 and it's a wrap. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy these last few moments, take you guys with me, and then we'll call it a day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. I hope you enjoyed both of my Grenada travel vlogs. If you haven't seen the first one, it will be up here somewhere. I'll put it there for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you come and visit my beautiful country, Grenada, and I will see you guys in the next travel vlog. If you stayed to the end of this video, comment down either the Grenada flag or like a palm tree emoji, and then I'll know who the real ones are.